The Union Budget 2018 presented by the Honorable Finance Minister promises to go beyond just ease of doing business in India and carries on to ease of living in India. This budget especially focuses on the underprivileged society and has a special focus on agriculture, healthcare, education and medium and small enterprises. India has now about to launch the world's largest healthcare protection system by insuring as many as 100 million families. Sure, this budget had its share of disappointments as well. Long-term capital gains on listed equity shares has been reintroduced and the corporate income tax has only been reduced for smaller companies. But all in all, this is a small price to pay for India's economic growth, which is expected to be propelled by the measures taken in the Union Budget.